Gold may look simple and shiny, but reaching this precious metal from deep inside the earth is a long scientific process. From searching hidden deposits to producing pure gold bars, gold mining involves geology, engineering, and chemistry. Let's understand each stage of the gold mining process step by step. Step 1. Prospecting. This is the first step of gold mining. Geologists study maps, rocks, and river sediments to identify areas where gold might be present. This stage helps locate potential gold deposits. Step 2. Drilling. Once a promising area is found, drilling machines are used to drill deep into the ground. Rock samples are brought to the surface and tested to confirm the presence and quantity of gold. Step 3. Blasting. After confirmation, controlled explosions are carried out. Blasting breaks hard rock formations, making it easier to extract gold-bearing rocks safely. Step 4. Excavation. Heavy machines like excavators remove the broken rocks from the mine. These rocks contain small particles of gold mixed with other minerals. Step 5. Hauling. Dump trucks transport the excavated rock from the mining site to the processing plant. This step connects mining operations with gold extraction facilities. Step 6. Crushing. Large crushers break the rocks into smaller pieces. Crushing increases the surface area of the rock, making it easier to separate gold from waste material. Step 7. Processing. Crushed rock is processed using water, gravity, and chemicals. Gold particles are separated from other minerals through physical and chemical methods. Step 8. Gold extraction. In this stage, gold is chemically extracted from the processed material using methods like cyanide leaching or carbon absorption, producing raw gold concentrate. Step 9. Smelting. The extracted gold is heated at very high temperatures inside furnaces. Impurities melt away, and molten gold is poured into molds. Step 10. Gold bars. Finally, the molten gold cools and solidifies into pure gold bars. These bars are ready for storage, sale, jewelry making, or industrial use. From hidden rocks to shining bars, gold mining is a perfect blend of science, technology, and Earth's natural resources. Like, share, and subscribe to explore more amazing science behind Earth.